Guys, I know this is one of the stupidest things you probably ever heard someone do, or ever seen someone do. But here, this is my bed warmer. If you can see down there, there's a little draft inducer, I think that is. It actually might be a Fasco wood stove blower. Oops, god darn it, I put my finger over the camera. I'm trying to zoom it out. Alright. Now I have it connected to a remote so I can start it from right down here. So there's a little heater, the little white thing's a heater, and then it just pumps it up to this tube that goes all the way up into here. Now let's start up the blower first. Our blower's running. Now, if you look right there, when I power it up, it'll turn orange, and that's the heater firing up. And we're already getting warm air, but it'll get a lot warmer. Here, I can show you just by exactly how warm. Still getting hotter. It's gonna make it 200. And note the heater's set to low. This thing's just gonna keep getting hotter. Yeah, there's a bit of residue left on there. Here, I'm gonna bring the remote down there with me. First of all, let's kick off the heat and watch the temperature drop. I used to be running this thing with the handy heater, which is a little heater that plugs into a wall. And the air coming out of there is not very warm at all anymore. The bed is 105 degrees. Here now, let's just kick this thing off. All right. There's Spiky. Hi, Spike. Oh, buddy. gonna go down there. But here, you can have a look. There's just 2 remote receivers under the bed that you guys cannot see. Focus, please, camera. There's your little heater. It's plugged into an extension cord. I know all firefighters around the world are having a panic attack right now. Yeah, it just goes up to this PVC pipe, goes in, gets reduced to 1.5 inches, gets turned around, bent, and then clipped over here. Ooh, let's see how much airflow we're getting out of that thing. That's a lot of airflow. Sorry, I'm trying to hook the remote control back in. I'll leave it in the little spot that I have for it. Alright, I think it's coming undone. Now, see how many seconds it takes for us to get heat. And in about 35 seconds, it gets as high as it, I think, will. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.